I bet you didn't know that a single line of code could compromise your entire website. Scary, right? Cybercriminals are targeting businesses by injecting malicious JavaScript into websites. This sneaky code redirects your customers to fake gambling sites where their data can be stolen. Yikes! So, how do you fight back? Enter Impress IT Solutions, West Houston's go-to for cybersecurity. We protect your business with advanced security audits, cutting-edge web firewalls, 24/7 monitoring, and real-time threat detection. We also train your team to spot phishing scams and fraudulent websites, reducing human error. Google blacklists compromised sites, and that's bad for business. But with Impress IT Solutions, we keep your website secure, your customers safe, and your business thriving. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your online presence today with Impress IT Solutions. Your business deserves the best defense against cyber threats. Contact us now and stay secure.